Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday essentials to make your life a whole lot easier. Today, we're diving into something crucial: how to get a replacement birth certificate in 2025. Whether you've lost yours, it's damaged, or you just need a fresh copy for official purposes like passports, jobs, or school, we've got you covered with a simple, step-by-step guide. Let's jump right in. First off, why might you need this in 2025? Well, with digital advancements, the process has gotten even more streamlined, but requirements can vary by state or country. Start by checking the official government website for vital records in your area. Think the U.S. Social Security Administration or your local state's health department. They'll have the most up-to-date info, including any new online portals launched this year. Step 1. Gather your documents. You'll typically need proof of identity, like a driver's license, passport, or another ID. If you can, provide details from the original certificate, such as your birth date, place, and parents' names. This speeds things up. Next, decide how to apply. In 2025, many places offer online applications for convenience. Head to the website, fill out the form, upload your docs, and pay the fee, which is usually around $15 to $30 depending on your location. If you prefer the traditional route, you can apply by mail or in person at a vital records office. Once submitted, processing times can range from a few weeks to a couple of months, so plan ahead. Keep an eye on your application status online if available. And remember, always use official sources to avoid scams. Double-check for the .gov domain. Finally, once approved, your new birth certificate will be mailed to you. If you're in a rush, some offices offer expedited services for an extra fee. There you have it. That's how you get back on track with your essential documents. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more life hacks. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay organized, everyone.